how to create QR code in Canva. So first is go to Apps, which is located on the lower left portion of the website. Now using the search bar, search for QR code generator. Select this option QR code and then enter the URL that you want to link in your QR code. So say for example, I am promoting a product. With that, I want to receive feedbacks from customers regarding the products. So I will be linking a survey form to which the customers can answer by scanning this QR code. Now all I have to do is to paste the URL of the survey form in this text box and then click Generate Code. Now the QR code has been created. So I'll be resizing this QR code to fit to my poster. And then I'll add some text and some elements. And so that is how you create QR code in Canva. Thank you and have a great day.